F x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the ends point or diameter of the circles. So what is the center of the circle? So we draw the circle and this is the center. Here x1 and y1 we give the name A, and here B, x2 and y2 are the another point. So center is required. These are the A, B are the diameter. Here A, B represent the end point of the diameter. Then the center of the circle is required. Center here C is required, and means that x1 plus x2 divided by 2. CF we are finding here x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the center or midpoint of the diameter, and here option C is the correct option. Question number 84. If the circle x square plus y square plus x plus 2 if y plus c is equal to 0 passes through the point. So it means that it is the value of x and y is equal to 0. If we substitute this result, so what is the result? Minus 1 square plus 0 square plus minus 1 plus 2fy into 0 plus c is equal to 0. So here, look here, we get here 1 and 0, minus 1, x value is minus 1, and this will be 0, so is equal to 0. So minus 1, this will be 0, c is equal to 0. Option A is the correct option. C is equal to 0. Radius of the circle is required. Radius of the circle, if we are compared with the standard form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to 12. So g is equal to 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. And f2f is equal to minus 10. F is equal to minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5. So radius is required. Radius is, we know that radius r is equal to g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula for radius. We substitute the result in here. R is equal to g square. G value is 6. We get 36, and plus f 25 and minus c. C is equal to here. C is, if we compare, C is equal to 0. There is C is equal to 0. There is nothing. So C is equal to 0. So we add this one, we get here 61 under root. Option B is here the correct. Equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Equation of tangent is required. Equation of tangent at point x1 plus y1, x1 and y1. So if we put here x and x1, so we use this formula x1 y and y1. So plus 2g will be changed x and x plus 1, that is incorrect. Here D option is the correct option. If we check this result, x1, in the place of x we can write x and x1 and plus y and y1 plus 2g, and in place of 2 we put gx plus x and x plus 1, x and x plus 1, and f we will finish here fy plus y1 plus c. According to this rules we are expanding here, so option D is the correct option. Equation of normal is required. Equation of normal, if we check here x1 y square, this is incorrect, and here bx minus, this is also incorrect, and option C is here the correct option. Y minus y1 x1 plus g. So if we write this term y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y1 plus f divided by x1 g. if we take cross multiplication, we get the answer of the normal equation. We get here. So option C, y1 lies outside the circle. Outside the circle of this equation, general equation I square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this point, if we put here x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1, and outside the circles must be remember these points should be noted. If it lies outside, this will be greater than 0, and inside this will be less than 0, and on the circle, so this will be equal to 0. These 3 points must be remembered. Here outside the circle, and here if we put here x1 square plus y2 x1 plus z plus c, so option C B is the correct option. If we remove this statement here, question number 89, and also we change this, and here we put inside the circle of the circle, the point x1 and y1 lies inside the circle. So in this case, option C will be the correct option, and here we ignore this B term. Similarly, in question number 90, so if we chase on the circle, this point on the circle, so in this case, option A is here the correct option. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend. Thanks again for watching. Today we have new questions on the circle. Let's start question number 91. The condition for a line y equal to mx plus c, that is a straight line, to be tangent to the circle. So what is the condition we are using here? We are using condition option B is the correct option, C is equal to plus minus r is radius 1 plus m square. We are using this formula for the condition of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. R square is the radius, m is the slope. So we are using the condition C equal to plus minus r 1 plus m square under root. Question number 92. The line y equal to mx plus c does not intersect the circle. Here is greater than r square plus 1 m square. So if we take the c square values must be greater than r square into 1 plus m square. So in this case, the line does not intersect the circle if the condition c square is greater than r square into 1 plus m square. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Assalamualaikum all viewers and dear students. Once again, Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Let's start. Question number 93. The tangent drawn from the points to the circle are equal, real, and distinct. If the points are any points that are tangents, so first of all we are taking the circle, that is the circle, and any point, that is the point px1 and y1, that is the point which is tangent, that is tangent. Tangent means that point is drawn from this point, and that is tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus is equal to r square. R square is the radius. R square is the radius of this circle. So what is the real and distinct? real and distinct means that so the points must be greater than x1 square plus y1 square is greater than r square. Just like discriminant we are using in the case of discriminant in the equation. If we change the question here, question and if the point change here, tangent drawn from the points real and incident means that are equidistant. So in this case, real and incident. So we are using the condition points lying on the circle. So x1 square plus y1 square is equal to r square. If they are equality, we are using here. Now the question, if we change here again, if question number tangent drawn from the point outside circle to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, and here and in case of imaginary we are using here x1 square plus y1 square is less than 0. We are using option D as the correct option. So from these MCQs we conclude that there are 3 points. So that point is should be noted here. F points should be noted. Number first is x1 square plus y1 square is equal to r square in this case. So the points are real and coincident, means coincide. And the second condition x1 square plus y1 square is greater than r square. So the given condition is real and distinct. And third point be x1 square plus y1 square is less than r square, so that will be imaginary. So keep in mind our students. So these 3 points are very important. If any point that is tangent from the circle, so these 3 points keep in mind for the MCQ. Length of tangent is required from the point to the circle is given that x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus c. If we are applying, so the length of the tangent is denoted by capital L. So we are applying here the point x1 square, and option here option C is the correct option. If we apply here x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2y1 plus c. So square root, under root. So option C is the correct option. And question number 97, equation of the tangent to the circle is given that a square is the radius. At a point, if we are applying equation of tangent, here is the length. We just put here in the place of x1, we get the answer. But in case of equation of tangent to the point, so we are applying x and x1. We write this equation x and x1 plus y and y1 and is equal to a square. So option A is the correct option, and here option C is the correct option. Equation of normal is required of the circle x square plus y square is equal to the point x1 and y1. So as we know that equation of normal is we know that you must remember xy is equal to 0. It means that the first one if you put x1 and here y1 will put. So if we change this, we solve x1y is equal to xy1. So the point is required here x divided by x1. If we divide both sides by x1 and y, so x1 and y and y and y1. So we get here this equation of the normal. We check the option here. Option C is the correct option. So this is the general formula or the equation of the normal xy minus xy1. So we change this here. So here will be positive xy1 dividing both sides by here y1. So this will be cancelled, y1 divided by 1, and similarly here dividing both sides by x1. So we will get this answer. For a circle x square plus y square, the point is given, we check the point is outside the circle, inside the circle, or on circle, and none of these. So this one we put in the equation here, in the place of we put here 5 square plus and y is 6 square is equal to 81. So if we solve this one, we get here 25 plus 36 is equal to 81. If we add this one, so we get here 71. 71 is less than 1. So it means that the given point lies inside the circle. Similarly, question number 100 for a circle x square y square. X square plus y square is equal to 81. The point is the same point we put here, and in place of x we put 7 square plus 6 square is equal to 81. If we 49, 7 square 49 plus 36 is equal to 81 here. If we get this one 15, 85 is greater than 5. So that point is on the outside the circle. If it is greater than from the given points from the radius, so the circle lies on the outside. If the points are same to same, we get here, so the result will be equal to on the circle. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and relatives. Once again for watching.